When we talk about global air power, the United States often comes to mind first. But what about Russia? In this video, we'll dive into the strength, size, and strategy of the modern Russian Air Force, also known as the Vozdushno-Kosmicheskiye Sily Rossii, or VKS. The modern Russian Air Force was officially restructured in 2015, combining the Air Force with aerospace defense forces. Today, the VKS is one of the largest in the world, second only to the United States in raw numbers. Russia reportedly fields over 4,166 aircraft, including around 800 fighter aircraft, nearly 140 strategic bombers, over 400 attack helicopters, and hundreds of transport and surveillance aircraft. But numbers are only part of the story. At the heart of the VKS are its fighter jets, many of which are modern evolutions of Cold War designs. Su-35S, Russia's most advanced 4++ generation multi-role fighter, known for its agility, range, and radar capabilities. MiG-31, a high-speed interceptor, ideal for Russia's vast airspace. Su-57 Felon, Russia's first stealth fighter. Still limited in numbers, but intended to rival the US F-22 and F-35. These jets are supported by A-50 AWACS aircraft for airborne early warning and IL-78 tankers for aerial refueling, though Russia's fleet of support aircraft is aging. When it comes to long-range power projection, Russia leans heavily on its strategic bombers. Tu-95 Bear, a Cold War-era, propeller-driven giant that's still in active service today. Tu-160 Blackjack, the world's largest supersonic bomber, capable of carrying nuclear cruise missiles. Tu-22M3, a supersonic medium bomber used extensively during Russia's involvement in Syria. These aircraft are not just symbols, they're strategic tools meant to demonstrate global reach and nuclear deterrence. In recent years, the VKS has started to adopt unmanned aerial systems, though they still lag behind Western countries in drone warfare. Russia has deployed Orlan-10 reconnaissance drones and forepost UAVs in Ukraine and Syria. Newer combat drones like the S-70 Okhotnik B stealth drone are in testing, designed to work alongside manned aircraft like the Su-57. But logistics, electronics, and precision-guided munitions remain weaknesses, partly due to Western sanctions. The Russian Air Force has gained real combat experience in Syria, carrying out thousands of airstrikes in support of the Assad regime. This provided training, testing of new weapons, and exposure to electronic warfare. In Ukraine, however, Russia's Air Force has struggled to achieve air superiority. Stiff air defense systems, lack of coordination, and limited use of precision munitions have revealed the VKS's operational challenges. So, how powerful is Russia's Air Force today? On paper, it's formidable. Modern fighters, strategic bombers, and a large fleet give it global presence. But in practice, limitations in maintenance, logistics, and tech integration have held it back, especially against well-equipped defenses. Still, the VKS remains a major military force and continues to evolve in the face of modern warfare. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more military history and defense analysis.